E-Flite and FMS airplane touch-up paint, shipped right to your door from yours truly, Sean at Griffin RC Planes. I've got quite the selection of E-Flite and FMS airplanes. More to come soon. All you have to do is search on eBay for E-Flite and FMS touch-up paint. Alrighty. Thank you so much to everybody that has already placed an order. So thank you so much. I've got about 12 to 13 planes in the lineup now. More coming soon, open to suggestions. All you have to do is search on eBay for E-Flite or FMS airplanes, just like you see on the TV there. All right, this one is off to the post office in the morning with the others. Thank you guys. Happy flying. If you want to win a jet like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Click the like button and leave a comment. And then ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. At 1,000 subscribers, we gave this jet away. At 5,000, we're going to give another one. I don't know what it is yet. We'll see when that time comes. So hey, subscribe guys. Happy flying.